Need to fix the Kdstub Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before we start the Kdstub library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Kdstub library, the Kernel Debugger Stub. It provides the unmanaged entry point for the Windows Kernel Debugger during early boot. It manages the orchestration of communication manifests, COM and USB and NET, to facilitate low-level data links between the target machine and a remote debugger. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scannow and allow Windows to automatically repair files like Kdstub Library DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Kdstub library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of Kdstub Library DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing Kdstub library and maintaining system health. If Kdstub library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.